What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we'll be doing a skunk patch quick weave on my homegirl Raven. This hairstyle was for her birthday. Excuse my voice, it's a little raspy. It's a little early in the morning, and I am recording, this voiceover. But yeah, so we're doing a quick weave with a skunk patch in the front. It was for her birthday. And yeah, I'm gonna just quickly show y'all how I do my quick weave. It's very, very easy. You do need, some freshly shampooed hair. I did just shampoo her, blow dry her out, and now I'm about to do, just some simple braids so that we can get this weave on her head very quick because it is a quick weave. So, I'm just doing this braid down, and you'll see, if you watch all my other videos, I cap with a black cap. I use the quick weave solution, put them under the dryer, let that harden, and then I begin to lay tracks. Now, for the blonde part of this hair, I did use a pack hair. I had some random pieces of blonde in the shop. So we decided to use that. But at some point, we figured out that the hair was kind of yellow. So I did tone that blonde hair with purple shampoo. I literally just washed the hair real quick with purple shampoo. I didn't even let that purple shampoo sit. I literally just washed it so that we can take some of that yellow out of the blonde to give it a more icy look. So if you are using pack hair from the store and you're using that blonde, wash it so that it's not yellow. Use a purple shampoo. The first time we did this, I really wanted her to leave the long bob, but she was like, girl, I want some feathers in the front. So we went ahead and put the feathers in the front because that's what she wanted. So you'll see us at the end going back and forth trying to figure out what it is that we're going to do. And this is our nature all the time. I love Raven. She's been coming to me for years. Raven, if you're watching this, girl, I love you. Happy birthday. It's still Raycember, so I'm going to be hitting you up because we need to go to dinner. But if you want to do this style at home, I literally probably laid 3 tracks of blonde in the front. It was not a lot, but it gave the effect that we needed. The feather made sure that you could actually see the blonde a little bit more, but I did want her to leave it in a blunt cut, but you'll see what I'm talking about when I get closer to the end. Per usual, thank you all so much for tuning into this channel. Our family here on YouTube is growing, and I am just so ecstatic about it. Every video, every Sunday at noon, new videos drop here on the YouTube channel. Every Sunday at noon, a new video drops on the Pretty Lounge channel, so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every week. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every week. Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to say it again. Hit that subscribe button. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you thought this style was easy to do. Let me know if this is something you would try at home, or if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and drop them in the comment section so I can answer them and get back to you. But per usual, thank you all for tuning into this channel. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now I'm about to go make me some tea because my voice is gone. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Just stay tuned. See y'all next week.